Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have an interesting radical equation today. We have square root of a plus root b is equal to the cube root of 7 plus root 50. Now my friends, the one side is square root and the other side is the cube root. We can raise both sides to a power, namely sixth power, to get rid of these roots. Or we can just try to find the right hand side, then take care of the equation. Let me try the second one. Let's try to find the cube root of 7 plus root 50. Actually, I have made a video on this. You can watch it. Now let this be equal to x plus root y, since we have rational and irrational terms here. The answer should look like some rational and irrational parts. Let's cube both sides and try to solve the equation. Now my friends, this cube root and cube will cancel and we will have 7 plus root 50, or this is 5 root 2. And here we will expand this. We have x cubed plus 3 times x squared times root y. Again plus 3 times x times root y squared, which is y. And lastly root y cubed, which is y root y. This is nice. Let's group the right hand side a little bit. The rational parts here are x cubed plus 3xy, and the irrational parts, let me group again 3x squared plus y, all multiplied by root y, and this is equal to 7 plus 5 root 2. So rationals and irrationals should be equal to each other. We have x cubed plus 3xy, x cubed plus 3xy is equal to 7, and we have 3x squared plus y times root y is equal to 5 root 2. This is the system to be solved. Now my friends, let's just guess some values. We should guess y being 2, since we have root y and root 2. Then let just y be 2. Then we will have in the second equation, let's say 3x squared plus 2 times root 2 is equal to 5 root 2. Cancelling root 2's, we will have 3x squared plus 2 is equal to 5. 3x squared plus 2 is equal to 5. Then x is plus minus 1, since we have 3x squared is equal to 3, x squared is equal to 1, and x is equal to plus minus 1. Let's try x is equal to 1 in the first equation. 1 cubed plus 3 times 1 times y was 2. Whether this is equal to 7 or not. Yes, this is equal to 7. That's correct. But if you check the negative possibility, you will see it doesn't satisfy our equation. Negative 1 cubed is equal to negative 1. 3 times negative 1 times 2 becomes negative 7. But our equation, our value is 7 here. Then my friends, we have reached a solution that y is equal to 2 and x is equal to, actually this is x is equal to 1 scenario here. Then x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. The result, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So the cube root of 7 plus this root 50 was equal to x plus root y. So this is 1 plus root 2. This is very nice since we are almost done. Our question is the square root of a plus root b is equal to cube root of this number. So this is equal to 1 plus root 2 now. Squaring both sides, we will write a plus root b, cancelling the square root outside. Here we will have 1 squared, which is 1. The multiplication of 2 times 2 again. This is 2 root 2. And root 2 squared is equal to 2. So we have a plus root b is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Then this gives a is equal 3. And root b is equal to 2 root 2 becomes b is equal to 8. Since 2 root 2 is equal to root 8. So the result is a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 8. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.